Today I am, I think, south of Cairo, and I will visit the Japanese garden. I have no idea what I have to expect. I have like a family vibe, a lot of children. Of course I want to pay the Egyptian price, another tourist price. So I've entered the complex of the Japanese garden. The funny thing was, it's always like in Egypt, it's a bit of like a problem. They like to interject in the row. So someone was like trying to go in front of me. I told him no, it's not gonna happen. But I paid only like 18 euro cent. Allegedly there's like a cultural exchange between Egypt and Japan. There's no physical Japanese presence in Egypt from the past or like in history, but they like the cultural garden influence of Japan. Wow. It's big, it's huge. I'm gonna love it. Let's go upstairs. It's quite hot. A lot of children, as you can see. Here you can relax. A lot of shadow. Quite nice. Quite busy. It's now 3 p.m. 34 degrees. I do not feel at home at all. Only family members. I am like walking as a single guy. It's just like a garden where people like to chill. All monks in the color orange with a bit of dust, of course, because you have the desert climate in Egypt. Baba Park, it's called. السلام عليكم. يا حياة. خلاص؟ عايز تاني؟ واحدة بكام؟ 10. اوكي ماشي. شكرا أوي. شكرا. I have to find a place where I can eat this. I think like it's like apple with some sauce on it. Yes, it is an apple for sure. But I'm gonna eat it, then I'm gonna film again. Japanese influence in the middle of nowhere. But I have to go away from this situation, from the families. It's not really my place, but first I'm gonna complete the tour. Because I paid 18 cents for it, you have to match the value of it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this place. So Japanese people, if you want to go to a place where you have some influence in the Middle East, go to this place. It is called the Japanese Garden, but I am leaving the place. محطة مترو بكم؟ ماشي. I am in one of the tuk-tuk with one of my friends. اسمك ايه؟ محمد. Okay. Some people like tuk-tuk and others they don't. Like these shabab, like the young people of Egypt, they want to earn their money, so they buy a tuk-tuk maybe for 10 or 15,000 Egyptian pounds. It's like quite a lot of money, and a lot of people they're like bothered by this because they're like taking over the streets. They disregard the rules. It's not always the case, you have to understand. Also the youth, they have to make money. This is like one of the good ways to make money. And I have to give you a secret. The young people of the tuk-tuk, they make more money than the Uber and the taxis. Here. You even have an attraction park at this place. And this is like 24/7 open. I only paid 20 Egyptian pounds for tuk-tuk. He was honest with me. He didn't lie. He told me, pay whatever you want. I will just go to the metro. And I will go back again to the center of Cairo. My stomach is broken. It doesn't feel good, even one bit. But I will try to make a video. And I will see how it will go. I want to make a video. I want to go to a hair salon. But before that, I want to see like the market, the local market area. You know, the nice thing is, I do understand some Arabic. I do understand. And the thing is, someone was telling me, what are you filming? Sometimes you have to play the dumb person. You're like very ignorant. So what I did was I ignored the comment of the person. What are you filming? I mean, I film because I want to film. I mean, what's the problem? So what are you filming us? I mean, I don't give a damn about your shit. You have your business and I have my business. Wow. So now we'll continue my journey, I think, towards downtown Cairo. Oh, how are you?
Hello, Habibi. Hello, الرجالة.
Okay.
سؤال. احنا الاثنين من بلد واحد.
بلد واحدة؟ مصر أو السودان؟ مصر.
ايه يا عم وانا سوداني باين عني.
فين مصر؟
فين في مصر؟
سعيد. رجالة
قوي.
من؟
مزابيط. اسأل عليهم اي حد.
أنا من هولندا.
اخواتنا حبايبنا.
قريب. وانت؟ احمد. وانت؟
جامايكا. كانت مدوني.
ده احمد. انت زعلان ليه زي كده؟ هو عايز هتروح هولندا.
خواله امه اخواتها
يا
في هولندا. فرد شارع الجلايه الاولى.
ايوه بالظبط. ماشي. I'm like now under the bridge, which is like called the 6th October. How are you? Surya? Masri or Surya? Masri. Nice, okay. I need to fix my hair.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, good. How are you? Wait 1 minute. ملابس. كويس. Oh.
بلوجر.
Yes.
تيك توكر ولا بلوجر؟
يوتيوبر.
يوتيوبر.
Yes.
ايه واتس يور نيم؟
عمر
كمان.
Yes.
Where are
أنا
you from?
I'm from Holland,
Holland.
Amsterdam. Yes.
شفت الفيلم بتاعنا عمر تعالى مسلم كويس اهو.
I go. How can I walk like this? Oh my. I have to take a break. I have to like remind myself I should like adopt, because like in Amsterdam you have like rules. Here you don't have rules. You have no stopping lights. Okay, let me take a moment, I take a drink or something like this, and then I will continue my journey. Kweis. Good. Alhamdulillah, Kweis. People did tell me it is not allowed to film over here at this place. I have like several encounters. It can be an issue, but not like always. Sometimes it's the best to not listen. Just like de-escalate the situation. And afterwards you just go on with your journey. But I want to see like the local market and what they have to offer. Aywa. It is what it is. Downtown Cairo, it is like almost impossible to video. Oh my, look at this. It is crazy. It's all about spatial awareness and the way you react. That's all it is.
انا من الصعيد.
Saeed is down. Luxor, Aswan.
سوهاج.
Suhaga? Marash, I don't know.
معرفهاش.
Yes, no.
انت من اي؟
هولندا ولكن I am. Yes.
امستردام.
بالضبط.
في نورد اياكس.
Yes.
كان يلعب في اياكس.
But هو أبلة. Yes.
زمان.
Yes.
ليفربول.
I mean, this is crazy. This is madness. I am walking right now in one of the most famous, busiest streets of Cairo. And you have to be aware at all times. This is the spatial awareness. Oh my, look at this. It is, you can die every moment. Wow. I like it. I like it. We will now head towards it's called the Attaba Square. That's like the place I will walk towards it. It's so fun. Even the camera has lost me. It gets so busy. You have to experience like it yourself. And you gotta like it. But you need to like the chaos, of course. I'm just gonna enjoy the people, the street, the culture, the tradition, the food, the drinks, and what more.
لا شكرا والله عارف ما شاء الله كويس الحمد لله
Some bags, hats, more souvenirs, of course. Some galabiyas. Some animal products. Hello.
Die vraag niet voor vraag.
Ja, klopt. Very good. Kijk, dit is meer de vibe. Dit is meer de sfeer.
Taxi with rice.
لا شكرا حبيبي. Kijk, heb je al die moskeeën? Oh, oh my, dit is toch geweldig. Heerlijk.
Deze moskee.
El Azhar zit daar denk ik hè. Daar waren we eerder geweest, daar was zo'n bidden.
Ja, zo'n video.
Ja. Maar nu kan je het meer voelen, weet je dat? Hier.
Last price how much? Listen.
Now I am going towards the most famous restaurant in Attaba Square. I cannot show you. I will put the name downstairs.
Gaan we zitten?
Ja, ja. Oh my, the best restaurant of whole Cairo. This was like the place to be. Egyptian wood instead of Hollywood. There you have the drone.